So grade 6 girls, today it's our revision class for tomorrow's test. Yes?
Yeah.
We'll quickly revise lesson 6 and lesson 5 and 4 for you. All right?
Okay, Miss. What do we have lessons?
Lesson 4, 5, 6. We have 3 lessons.
4, 5, and 6. Okay.
Now, listen to everything what I'm talking today. Okay? And you all know very well that we are following the lesson review, the visual summary, and the first page and the important points, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, coming to you. Come here, girls. Coming to the visual summary, true or false? Organisms get energy from food. True.
Organisms? True, they get.
Eat, yes, they get. A producer eat other organisms. What is a producer?
A producer is.
A plant.
Yeah.
A producer. So do
producer that they make their own food, right?
Yes, but they don't. Yes, the producer do not eat own. Yani the organism. Do they eat the animals and us? No.
No.
No. The producer consumers.
But
Yeah,
the consumer depend on each other, like the human and animal.
Yes. Now coming to the one. Carbon dioxide is required for cellular respiration.
False.
False. Because oxygen is required for cellular respiration. Now, cellular respiration take place in chloroplast. Girls,
false.
Photosynthesis takes place in what take place in chloroplast?
Cytoplasm.
Photosynthesis, girls. In chloroplast, photosynthesis take place, and mitochondria, the cellular respiration take place. Okay, that is correct. Mitochondria is present, nothing but DNA. Oh my God, a second, girls. Okay, now photosynthesis is a process.
Yes, true.
True.
By which plants make their own food. Perfect answer. My son is here disturbing me. Photosynthesis is a process
True.
by which plants their own food. Very good.
True.
Chlorophyll capture light energy during photosynthesis. Of course, true.
True.
Chlorophyll?
Yeah, I like to.
Yes. This is question number 21 and true. Correct. Now, the product of photosynthesis are starting material of cellular respiration. Correct. Whatever you get the product. What do you get the product in photosynthesis? Photosynthesis equation start with oxygen and water and give carbon dioxide and sugar. But the cellular respiration start with, it makes
sugar and
carbon dioxide and gives out oxygen and water
energy.
and energy. Okay, anyways. Now, very, very careful. These three girls. Dash take place. I told you what take place in the chloroplast. Which process? See, there are two processes we study in this lesson. Photosynthesis, cellular
and chloroplast.
Photosynthesis and cellular respiration. These are the two processes. Photosynthesis take place in chloroplast. Cellular respiration takes place in mitochondria. The question is, dash take place in organelle called chloroplast. What is the answer, Malak? What is in chloroplast? What take place in chloroplast?
What takes place in chloroplast is no, not photosynthesis.
It's a photosynthesis.
It is photosynthesis because chloroplast is responsible for plants. So it is photosynthesis. Understood?
Yeah.
Light energy is captured. Light energy is captured by the
chlorophyll
called chlorophyll. Excellent. Cells use oxygen. Girls, again. Cell use oxygen.
Cellular respiration.
Which equation start with oxygen? Who uses oxygen? Who takes?
Cellular respiration.
Very good, very good. We take oxygen. So we are not doing photosynthesis. We are doing cellular respiration.
Respiration.
Cell use oxygen to release energy. All the fill in the blanks are compulsory tomorrow, girls. All the objective type questions. Okay.
Okay.
So please do this page only till question number 5. Don't go for 7, 8, and 9. All this only till question 5. More than enough. If you do visual summary, lesson review, and the first page of the lesson, it is more than enough.
Okay.
Now coming to next lesson. This is an cell process. Turn to page number 61, I guess. Yours 61? No. What? No, sorry, it's not 61. Yours is its page number.
Yeah, miss, it's 60, 61. Miss, do you want to revise?
1 minute here. I will revise lesson number 5. Homeostasis.
It's page 60, the visual summary, and page
Yeah, but-
61, listener review.
But the thing is, it's not same here, Yavatin. For me, the pages are different, right? Because this is a teacher's edition.
Yeah.
Food is made during,
Photosynthesis.
because food is, yes, plants make food, and food is made during photosynthesis. Malak, food is made during which process?
Malak left, miss.
Allah. Energy is produced from food during, where is energy produced?
Cellular respiration.
During cellular respiration. Very good. Dash occur when cell divide. And 2 nuclei, girls, 4 nuclei form in meiosis. 2 nuclei,
Mitosis.
mitosis. Very important question. Mitosis occur when cell divide to form 2 nuclei. I'm sure we will not ask you about 4 nuclei, but I'm just discussing because 4 nuclei is in the meiosis lesson and that lesson is not included. So when you see the 2 nuclei, this is called as mitosis. What uses energy to release particle? Endo or exo? Because they will not show you the picture tomorrow.
Where is it, miss?
Energy,
This is active transport.
active transport. That is active transport occurs in exocytosis. That is active transport is the answer. The change in leaf color, girls. This all is occurring because of to maintain. See the word. See the word
Homeostasis.
homeostasis. Okay, here only question number 1, 2, 3 are enough, girls. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 also. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay?
Okay.
Now coming to lesson number 4. A plant is unicellular organism. True or false?
False. It's a
It's a
multicellular.
multicellular organism.
Yeah.
Lean, even you already prepared?
Yeah.
Good. The protective tissue on the leaf has a structure that keeps the moisture.
True.
From true. The leaf is an example of organ. Correct. Exactly true. The
True.
leaf is an
Yeah.
example of organ. Plants obtain water from the root system. Again, it's true. Plant take
True.
water from.
True.
Yes. Again, it is true. Now you will also have true and false tomorrow. Next.
Okay.
Animals have 4 girls is nervous, epithelial, muscle, and connective. What are these? Are these type
Animal
of cells or are these type of tissues?
No, animal tissue. Animal tissue.
You just say tissues. These are types of
Tissue.
tissues. Nervous,
Is
epithelial.
this is important?
Yes, yes. Animals have 4 basic type of tissues.
Tissue.
Nervous, epithelial, muscle, and
Connective and muscle. Connective.
now question number 2. Seagulls, esophagus, organ, stomach, intestine, all these organ combined to become.
Digestive system.
Don't
And the digestive system is
you can
organs.
even write organ system. Digestive
Okay.
system or
Miss, but if I write digestive system,
okay. No. See, you know that we don't have writing part. We have choosing part. I will never give same answers in the choosing.
okay.
Now, question number 3. What are the levels of organization in multi?
Cell,
Organization
tissue,
cell,
organ,
tissue.
organ
Cell,
system.
tissue, organs, organ system, and organism.
Yes.
No, there's no
So till
organism.
question 3, girls, it's enough. Till question 3, it's enough.
Okay.
Okay? But don't forget to do the first page.
Yeah, I did it.
Okay, now if you have any questions, please let me know. I will explain again. Do you want me to explain photosynthesis and cellular respiration?
Miss, yeah, I want you to tell me. There's something here. It said that the page 72 and 73, the mitochondria.
Let me check, my dear. You mean in photosynthesis?
The mitochondria, that the sugar from photosynthesis and the 3 carbon molecule, oxygen, ATP.
Wait a minute. Let me go to that. Which question you're telling me? Which page number?
72 and 73.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
See, this is like what goes in? Sugar goes in, right?
Yeah.
Oxygen goes in. And what comes out? Water comes out, carbon dioxide comes out, and energy. Which energy?
Okay, we have to.
Which energy?
We have.
No, you don't have to do for tomorrow, girls. But you need to understand, Yavateen. What comes out? Water, carbon dioxide, and energy in form of ATP. And
Yeah,
this
Miss,
all
I'm talking about the stages. That the first stage, the place is in cytoplasm and glucose from photosynthesis, and it's break down 3 carbon molecule and
into
release.
ATP. Yes. No need for tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
But you understood. If you want, I can explain you all of it again. Main
Okay.
blue line. The products of cellular respiration
So
are.
we only have to study that what
Carbon
go
dioxide
in and what go out.
Yes, girls. But even though, girls, we completed, alhamdulillah, I'm saying you again and again, I'm so happy with grade 6 because when you compare to other schools, you all know, mashallah, too much about cellular respiration, photosynthesis. You know what is ATP,
Yeah.
you know what is DNA. You can speak about it, and that's really very good.
Okay, Miss. There is in page 72. Using oxygen. They're using oxygen.
Yes, they use oxygen.
Down the koala.
Yes.
Is it important?
My dear, that's what we did in the lesson review, that they use oxygen. And you told me, yes, cellular respiration use oxygen, you know. I'll just
Yeah. There's Miss
There's a
here,
question.
this one.
See, there's a question.
This one.
Cell uses oxygen to release energy.
Yeah.
So this is the question. We have the same questions over here in the summit of that is lesson review. Ahil, no.
So the stages is important that in eukaryotes, the first stage of cellular respiration is placed in cytoplasm. This one is important,
No,
right?
you just need to know what goes in and what goes out. For grade 6, other information
Okay.
to go for grade 7. Like when you go in higher studies, you
Miss.
must know. Welcome, Malak. Malak, please see the video later.
Okay, because my battery finished.
I understand, my dear. I understand, no problem. Just see the video, okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, thank you, girls. I know we have time, but do you have any questions, Malak?
No, Miss.
Okay, just watch the video.